not a time to pause or to be passive or to wait around for our problems to somehow fix themselves.
Cannot and will not be passive in the face of such violence. Parents, school's not a passive thing where you just dump off your kids, they come back, and somehow automatically they learn.
Education is not a passive thing.
Because we know two big things. We know more about the threat than we did back then, and we know through experience that we can act. That we don't have to be passive, that we can act in ways that protect our environment and promote economic growth at the same time.